TP. TP.
TP.
Like TP for toilet paper, PP for PP, TP for transfer panel. This is very simple, very easy to manage panel. It's designed to give us a place to distribute in a safe environment. We never have to worry about power, right? Here, AC in is the main 220 from the main bus of the boat, the main power, the regular, everyday AC power, 220. The next guy is the emergency backup power from the emergency MCC. Main emergency. So here, AC input breakers. But this is where the power comes in and comes back out. UPS comes in, comes back out. When the transfer panel does its magic, this is for the controls. These are alarm relays. So if there's no main power, the relay turn off and we get an alarm. If there's no emergency power, relay turn off, we get an alarm. UPS acts stupid, relay go off, we get an alarm. The jacket system. This here is distribution circuit breakers. Controls for the TP panel, PP, port forward, port aft, starboard forward. It doesn't matter, they're labeled inside. But these are the distribution circuit breakers. These four control relays are leg panel control relays. You know the expensive dimmer? It's tied to these guys. In case there's something on the boat. Sometimes there's a very long run, so there's a voltage drop on the AC, which is really rare. Then we go instead of all at once, we go 1, 2, 3. But no need to remember that, okay? But that's what they're for. This guy, main power contactor. That guy handles all the power. That's why he's so big. And that's the guy that makes the noise when you turn the key. Boom! When everything's finished, these 5 outputs, one goes to PP and one goes to each leg panel. So this is the final exit point to distribute the AC to the panels. These are protected by these breakers, and they're also managed by these circuit breakers, and then all the other circuitry is internal to manage who's coming in and who's doing what. Okay. Yeah, this box here is jacking system UPS. Even if you have just main power and emergency power and all that, there are moments when you switch generators, you do this, you do that. This guy here makes sure that the power stays constant for that period of time. It can only last maybe 20, 30 minutes. But it's also enough for you in the event that you have a systemic failure with the vessel that you can get down. But you're electrically powered anyway. So this guy is important, but he's not as important as the old days when we used to operate the jacking system diesel. Okay. So this is UPS, and this is the junction box for the UPS. So all of the interconnection that goes to the transfer panel is in this little box here.
This training and other videos on this channel are produced to educate the crew and all involved personnel. Feel free to use them in your training sessions.